In this clip, what we're going to do is we're going to introduce another literary tool which will enable us to analyze the biblical chapter to break it down into different types of sections. And here we use literary theory as a means to really discuss the story components. Here we go. So first we have the exposition. The exposition is the background. What are some of the fundamental conditions, some of the fundamental ideas, some of the fundamental facts that we as readers are provided with before the story actually comes into clear focus? That's the exposition. The crisis is once the plot unfolds, every story reaches a certain period of crisis where it's unsure. We see that there's a question that surfaces, there's a dilemma, or there's a problem. That's the point of the crisis. The third component is really searching for solutions. In other words, the various characters try to grapple with the crisis and they try to figure out what can we do in order to meet this challenge. Fourth, they have to identify a solution or solutions. They have to be able to understand the complexity of the problem, to identify a solution that they're going to implement. And finally, we have the summation where we see how this plays itself out and how the story ends. What I'd like to suggest is to take this model of these 5 story components and to invite you to examine the following chapter from the first book of Samuel, chapter 17. It's a long chapter, but enormously rich in meaning and understanding and ideas. Take that chapter and try to divide it into these 5 story components: exposition, crisis, searching for solutions, identifying solutions, summations. And in our next clip, what we will do is we will actually focus on one particular story component, that of the exposition. So go ahead, take this on, and then we will analyze the text in more depth. Thank you.